The Hinine 7-inch HD double-din car stereo offers a straightforward installation with its sturdy suction cup holder, allowing it to fit seamlessly into any vehicle without the need to disassemble the car console. This car stereo provides both wireless and wired compatibility with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, enabling a smarter, safer, and more enjoyable driving experience through voice control for calls, navigation, music, and messages. Its portable design supports a 360-degree rotation and HD mirror connection, allowing you to easily sync content such as videos and GPS from your smartphone to the car audio system. The built-in speaker of the car stereo ensures good sound quality, and for a louder output, you can connect it to the car speakers using the FM radio transmitter or the aux cable. The Hinine Auto 7-inch HD double-din car stereo is backed by a professional support team that is ready to address any questions or issues within 24 hours. This versatile and user-friendly car stereo, with its range of features, enhances your driving experience, making it an excellent choice for any car owner.